पहला मैच होने वाला है डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस रत्नागिरी जेट्स वर्सेस छत्रपति संभाजी किंग्स।
देखिए पहले सीएसके की बात करते हैं बिकॉज दे वन द टॉस. मुर्तजा द skipper will come out to bat. The Saurav, Omkar Khatpe, Digvijay Patil will hold the fort once again. Shams Kazi there as well, so they've got the right sort of bowling combinations with the CSK. And on the other side, Azim Kazi, the skipper, would be looking to lead a team, so make sure that the CSK doesn't get anywhere close to that 200.
Saurabh Navale, the right-handed batter, along with Murtuza Trankwala, the skipper. Oh, hitting the bat nicely. Takes the inside edge, lucky, and will get 4. Comes down the track, in the air, chance for the fielder at short third. Can be difficult but taken, nice and easy. So Saurabh Navale trying to up the ante. Divyang Hingnekar, first ball, picks up a wicket.
So CSK now have lost their first wicket. In Navale for 1, 7 for 1.
Omkar Khatpe with OK on his back. 109 runs with a strike rate of 123. Oh, beaten, nicely bowled, appeal given. Murtuza Trankwala is not happy with that, but he will have to walk back. Divyang Hingnekar has sent both the openers in the dugout.
Yeah, but the batsman really looks disappointed, and the disappointing captain has to go back. Scored 5, now it's 8 for 2.
And in comes Digvijay Patil. Nicely played this time.
That was in the air. Didn't time it too well. Kazi behind it. Oh, I think that's a 4. Oh, nicely played.
Goes again. Fielder will be a spectator. Yes, this time over the infield. Expensive over. 18 runs of it.
And you almost called it, and that's a 6. This time, once again Omkar, and this time once again 6. And up and over. That's a 6 from Omkar Khatpe. He reaches his 50 of 28 deliveries. What a strike there by him. A perfect knock here for CSK. Comes at the right time.
Good shot that. As straight as it can get. In the air, but over the mid-off fielder. What a shot that is from Digvijay Patil. In the air. Oh, it was almost taken. A chance there on the very first ball. Full marks for the attempt though.
Using his feet. Timed it beautifully.
Down the leg side. Nicely connected. No fielder there. Oh, smart batting. He knew exactly where the fielders were.
Stayed at the wicket, and now look at it. Another 6.
Good shot that.
Beautifully played. That's the wicket. That's the wicket they were looking for. Slow delivery. Omkar trying to play with the flow that we've seen him bat. Inside edge, straight to the bowler.
But a very good knock. Omkar Khatpe 68 that he scored. 126 for 3. Om Bhosle, he also batted well in the first match of CSK. Oh, bowled! What a ball! That was a peach of a delivery. Nikit got 1, and as we have seen so often, 1 gets 2, and Nikit will now be on a hat-trick.
Nikit Dhumal, well done. Om Bhosle gone for none. 126 for 4 now.
Nikit Dhumal will be bowling to Saurabh Singh. On a hat-trick is Nikit Dhumal. A nicely driven gets off the mark with 2 runs, but a very good over from Nikit Dhumal comes to an end. 15 overs bowled, 128 for 4.
Just looking for that milestone. Takes the one. Well played, young man. Once again, another 50. Back-to-back 50s for this young man. It's 133 for 4 after 16.
Comes Nikit Dhumal, swept and swept well. On the offside, fielder sweeper covers. He's reaching that one. Not for a catch, or maybe a boundary. It might be referred to the TV umpire. Good effort.
उनका वो राइट हैंड जाके बाउंड्री स्कर्टिंग को टच किया तो फिर शायद गेंद जो है वो रिलीज कर दी थी. गेंद शायद जब वो पाँव को टच कर रही थी तो वो सीधा हाथ भी वो बाउंड्री स्कर्टिंग को टच कर रहा था.
There he goes, chance now for the fielder at long on. Easy catch, taken, big wicket. Digvijay Patil will have to walk back. 12 runs of this over, but Nikit Dhumal makes a comeback and picks up his third.
अच्छी गेंद, लेकिन एक अच्छी पारी यहाँ समाप्त होती हुई दिग्विजय पाटिल की. 56 रन 44 गेंदों में 145 पे 5.
Rajwardhan Hungarkekar with the number 10 on his back. And there we go again of the last ball. Rajwardhan Hungarkekar gets off the mark with a big one. Has he connected that one? Yes, in the gap. Hungarkekar again a similar shot, but this time middle of the bat. Nice shot to the fielder at long off. Will cut it out. Rajwardhan wanted a second run and it never looked like it existed. What a brilliant throw.
कमाल का ये थ्रो. The release, the timing of the release and right on top of the stumps. But rightly posted that question. Rajwardhan has to depart. Yes. Thanks to that brilliant bit of fielding.
Shams Uzama Kazi coming in. The right-handed batter. In the slot. Has he connected well? Oh yes. Full toss. Has he connected? Yes, he has. Short ball with the short fine leg up. No, Pradeep Dhade.
Slow ball, the extra bit of bounce doing the trick. Come back by Pradeep.
Oh. Oh, where is it landing though? It's landing. And that'll be a wicket. Yes, out ahe, says the umpire. So that'll be a wicket. Has picked up a wicket. The nice, sharp, short one. Saurabh Singh looking to go over the fielder at square leg. Gets held on with the fielder at short fine. He has to walk back for a well-made 24. 187 for 7 CSK. Pranay Singh, the new batter. Short ball again in the air. Chance. The fielder at covers comes under it and taken. So 2 out of 2 for Pradeep Dhade. Pranay Singh comes, Pranay Singh goes.
Suddenly from the 200 on the cards, you've got a hat-trick on the cards for Pradeep. 2 and 2. Pranay Singh out for naught, 187 for 8.
One more hat-trick chance in this match for the Ratnagiri Jets. Pradeep Dhade, can he do it? Short ball, oh, nicely bowled. And it's going to be a team hat-trick there. That'll be fine. Yes, Ratnagiri Jets will be happy with that.
वहाँ पे स्क्वायर लेग अंपायर तो कह रहे हैं कि वो कंधे के हाइट के नीचे गेंद थी, बट सोच अच्छी थी. आनंद 0 पे रन आउट होके वापस जा रहे हैं. 187 पे 9.
Impact player sign Deepak Dangi. And he'll get a run for sure. And yes, so Ratnagiri Jets have maintained the record. They have not allowed the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings to go beyond the 188 run mark. Yes, there we go. The target for the Ratnagiri Jets in their allotted 120 deliveries, 20 overs.
Krish Sahab Shapurkar. Good start.
This time room outside the off stump. Bad fielding there. Short ball. Badhiya shot. This was short delivery outside the off stump.
This time once again, lucky edge there, gets a boundary. Yes, a test, indeed it is, and he gets a boundary. इस बार फिर एक बार, and यहाँ पर mid off, बड़ा आसान सा catch. मुर्तजा ट्रंकवाला जो कप्तान है, he has picked up the catch.
So Krish gone for 7, 27 for 1 after 3.
Impact player, the Burley batter is in. This time gets a boundary over there. This time didn't quite time it. What's going to happen? Oh, brilliant effort! What a catch there! The square leg fielder running behind and takes a brilliant diving catch. That's the youngster Digvijay Patil.
And that is what is happening at the minute. This is when he first caught it. Then he went down. There the umpire wants to see if the ball has hit the ground. Well, I thought the ball was... the fingers were under the ball. But the umpire wants to be sure, and why not? Why not?
Absolutely. It's about getting it right. If the technology is there to support you. Do we have a verdict? Yes, we have a verdict. And finally, Preetham Patil has to walk off. He goes for 4. 33 for 2.
And Azim Kazi. Boundary of the first ball. 4 overs gone, 37 for 2.
And drives that one brilliantly through the covers. Gets a boundary. This time once again pulls that one. Gets a boundary.
Another bad delivery. Room outside off some shot. कदमों का इस्तेमाल. जबरदस्त शॉट. और इस बार राउंड द विकेट. एक और बड़ी हिट.
New over starts and nothing has changed. Oh, फाइन लेग सर्कल के अंदर है, सिर्फ दिशा दिखा रही थी और वो किया है धीरज पतंगरे ने.
बढ़िया 50 यहां पर धीरज पतंगरे कमाल की इनिंग खेले.
ओह, क्लास शॉट यहां पर, नजाकत से खेला यहां पर.
Shams Kazi comes into the attack and there's a chance and he picks up a wicket. We just spoke about Dheeraj Patangare and we said the job is not done. He went to attack Shams Kazi on his very first ball and he loses his wicket.
अच्छी बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे, 50 रन बनाए थे 23 गेंदों में. रत्नागिरी जेट्स 84 for 3.
Divyang Hingnekar walks into bat.
ओहो, बड़ा कॉल हो सकता है यहां पर.
काफी क्लोज. थर्ड अंपायर के पास गए, एक फ्रेम आगे जाती है तभी उसके बाद बेल्स ऊपर आए, तो मुझे लगता है सेफ है.
And I think the decision is ready and the right decision of not out. Chance always difficult. Rajwardhan Hangargekar, 4 runs. Short ball pulled in the gap. Goes for the big swing on the leg side. Is it fine? Yes.
Boundary again.
Things warming up. Oh, reverse sweep there. Ulta fatka. And that's 4 runs.
And this time around, Hitesh has the last laugh. Beats him in the air, picks up that wicket. Important breakthrough.
Divyang Hingnekar used to walk back for 28. RJ, 143 for 4. Nikhil Naik, third match this season, 25 runs.
कमाल का शॉट यहां पर.
50 पूरे उनके, एक कैप्टन इनिंग, कमाल की बारी खेल रहे हैं।
इस बार फिर एक बार पटकी हुई गेंद, हवा में गेंद, वहां पर शॉट फाइन लेग पर, और ये कैच आउट। वापस जाएंगे आजिम काजी। He's been dismissed. Tested there by the short delivery.
52 रन बनाए 40 गेंदों में अजीम काजी ने, 151 पर 5।
The new man in, Abhishek Pawar. Starts off with a fine drive, and that's a boundary. He gets a boundary. This time, uppercut once again, that's a 6. This time, whacks that one, and one bounce into the boundary. This time down the ground, and that's it. Ratnagiri Jets have chased down the highest successful chase in MPL. 8th win in MPL, 7th successive win. This is what happened in the game. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings made 188 for 9 in their 20 overs. In their reply, Ratnagiri Jets chased down the target in 18.5 overs to register their 7th successive win.